Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the history chapter first. What, where, how, and when. Before we move to the chapter, we have to know what is mean by history. The history means to get it to know about our past. The word history in itself contains the word story, means we get it to know the history of the past through this story. The term history is derived from the Greek word historia, meaning inquiry and knowledge, and inquired by investigation. Now, in the sixth class, we particularly learn about the ancient history. So, in ancient history, there are mostly covered two periods, that is prehistory and history. What is mean by a prehistory, or what is a prehistory? That the prehistory in which no written records are available, only the oral tradition and folklore might have been prevalent. We get it to know through this beginning of agriculture and rise of permanent settlement, etc., which was before 8,000 years ago from now. Now, what is history? History in which the written records are available. The first civilization began before the 4,700 years ago. Now, what we are going to learn through this chapter, we get to know the basic ideas, okay, in the chapter about the history and prehistory. So, what, where? So now, see this flow chart. In this flow chart, or through this flow chart, we get to know the central or basic idea of the chapter. What we learn. So see, people previously, what kind of food they ate, what kind of clothes they wore, in what kind of houses they live, or what kind of professions they did. Now the next, where. So here, where people lived, or they started to live, or where from the settlement start, and from where they get it to knew about the plants. Next, how the cities were developed or settlement developed, and where they travel. Next, how they naming the land, how they get it the sources, through they get to know about the past. There are the literary sources or archaeological sources. Now, when in this topic we get it to know when the historical events happen. For that we tell the dates. So for therefore the historian generally count the years forward or backward. From the 0 year means the 4th or 5th century, the Jesus Christ born. So from that is forward, or before that, that is backward. So the period before the birth of Christ is known as BC or BCE, and the period after the birth of Christ is known as AD, that is Anno Domini, or CE means a common era. We in detail we learn while the topic discussing. So what can we know about the past? So already I explained what people ate, what kind of clothes they wore, houses in which they live, about the lives of different professionals, etc.